Hi teacher, we are the cadet Mesa the cadet Aldana, and we are going to speak about rich people and poor people.
Okay, difference. The rich people is very different to poor people because they have big difference about them mentality. There is a big difference between rich people and poor people, and it's simple the mentality. Rich people focus on what they really want, are are very organized and give the necessary time to the things that matter, while poor people waste their time on entertainment and leave everything to change. They don't try to achieve things.
The rich people prefer the things for live comfortable. These people, the rich people, know that they do not need many things to live comfortable. They don't need the cell phone of the year, for example, and the most expensive clothes to be well. Other hand, poor people consume more, trying to create an imagine image for others.
Okay, other difference, the poor people think of conformist form. Rich people do not stay with the problems because they look for solution to these problems. Avoid them to last long. Poor people have their focus on the problems and look for excuse not to get out of the those problems.
The poor people stay in the excuse. Why? Because to comparison to rich people, uh, turn problems into opportunities, and also they look for ideas and at every moment they don't spend money. On the contrary, they look for ways to save it and invest it in something that.
Thank you, teacher. The video was so interesting. Bye.
Bye, teacher.